Picture this. The year is 1806. Napoleon Bonaparte, fresh from his victory at Austerlitz, gives the order for a monument to be built. This isn't just any monument. It's a tribute to his grande armée, the men who fought valiantly at his side. Drawing inspiration from the ancient Roman arch of Titus, this monument would be a tangible testament to the might of the French Empire, a symbol of victory, of triumph, of glory. And so, the foundation stone for one of the world's most famous monuments was laid. As with any grand project, the Arc de Triomphe wasn't built in a day. Masterminded by Jean Chalgrin and later taken over by Louis-Étienne Héricart de Thury, the construction of this colossal monument spanned 3 decades. The project faced its fair share of hurdles, from political upheavals to economic downturns, all of which slowed down the process. The architectural style of the Arc de Triomphe is a potent mix of neoclassicism, a nod to the grandeur of ancient Rome, and French tradition. But a structure of this scale is not merely about style. The arc is adorned with intricate sculptures, each telling a tale of French history and valor. The construction finally wrapped up in the year 1836. The Arc de Triomphe, an imposing monument of perseverance and artistry, had come to life. After 30 long years of construction, the arc stood tall and proud, a symbol of French resilience and tenacity. The Arc de Triomphe has witnessed history unfold, standing firm through times of war and peace. Its stones have echoed with the triumphant return of Napoleon's ashes. Carried in solemn procession back to the heart of France, it has thundered under the march of the Allies after their victory in World War I, a symbol of resilience and reclaiming freedom. Every year it watches over the annual Bastille Day military parade, a celebration of the revolutionary spirit that birthed modern France. Beneath its towering arch, the tomb of the unknown soldier lies in quiet tribute. Here, the Arc de Triomphe becomes a place of remembrance, a place to honor the sacrifices made for France. The eternal flame flickers in an unbroken vigil, a beacon of memory that has not been extinguished since it was first lit. The Arc de Triomphe, a silent witness to history, continues to stand as a beacon of French pride and honor. So, what have we learned about the Arc de Triomphe? Born from Napoleon's triumph, this iconic monument took 30 years to stand tall. It's a silent observer of history, witnessing revolutions and wars, and has become a symbol of French pride. Every stone, every engraving tells a story of the nation's resolve, its triumphs, its losses, its glory. Next time you find yourself in Paris, remember the rich history of the Arc de Triomphe. It's not just a monument, it's a testament to a nation's resolve and glory.